And then pagkatapos niyan, claim now, no? So, claiming na. So, simple as that, guys. Na-claim na natin dito. Okay, so today yung discussions natin is itong BWB airdrop. Itong kay BitGet Wallet airdrop dito. So, gamit ko yung iPad dito pero you can download itong application na ito. Available ito sa iOS and Android as well as sa mga desktop browser, Google Chrome, guys. So, Google extension is that available ito. Yung official link naman nito, guys, ilalagay ko sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online. Meron ding additional points if ever na nagamit nyo yung code dito. So, step by step dito, guys, sa video natin, i-discuss kung paano ina-navigate, ano yung mga details dito, benefits, no, yung mga features na wala sa iba. So, bago tayo dito mag-start, guys, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga updates natin na ginagawa dito sa ating YouTube channel for some crypto updates, guys, no? So, sobrang active naman natin dito magbigay ng updates, perspective, and again, guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito, and step by step nga natin dito na bibigyan ng perspective kung paano to i-access, yung benefit, and then yung advantage, disadvantage as well, guys, no? For now, if ever man na napuntahan nyo yung official link na nakalagay sa description ng video na to or sa pinned comment is that ganito yung nakikita natin dito, guys, no? So, ito is very time sensitive kasi hanggang April 28 lang yung pinaka-airdrop event na ito. And then, andito naman yung pinaka-roadmaps, guys, no? So, for now, punta muna tayo dito sa about BWB. So, as mentioned dito, BitGet Wallet, the world leading Web3 wallet, has officially launched. Pinaka-ticker nga niya dito, guys, is BWB, no? Yung pinaka-goal nila dito, guys, is to onboard the next 1 billion users into Web3, opening the doors to a world of new assets and earning opportunities for all. And andito naman yung pinaka-details, guys. You can just read these details. And upon observations dito, guys, I read those informations dito is that sobrang comprehensive nitong wallet na ito. And as per checking, meron silang anti-phishing detection. They have this MPC. Meron din silang secure swapping ng assets mo. For now, guys, sa pag-participate ng airdrop, ang daming nag-abang dito. So, ganito yung mapupuntahan mo if you just visited yung official link na nakalagay sa description, no? So, pagkatapos niyan, yung gagamitin ko dito, guys, is that may secondary wallet lang, guys, no? Hindi yung pinaka-primary wallet ko. So, secondary wallet na something like merong mga transaction ng swaps kasi dito is that nasa criteria ng airdrop yung mga may mga transactions na before na wallet. Just like, for example, I have MetaMask. Pwede ko siya dito, guys, i-import. So, as mentioned, it's my secondary wallet lang and it's better to secure your assets dito and ikaw lang dapat nakakaalam. So, pagkatapos niyan, guys, for example, you have this EVM wallet like for example, kay Tron, Solana address, or itong EVM is Ethereum Virtual Machine, guys, no? So, just like, paste ko lang dito yung pinaka-wallet ko. Ayan, tapos check ko dito kung meron nang makukuha, guys, no? As we can see dito, meron nang makukuha na BWB points na 50, guys, no? So, pagkatapos niyan, meron pa ditong additional once na nagamit mo yung pinaka-code dito, guys, sa baba, no? Ito. So, itong code na to, guys, is that kailangan, no? So, pwede mo namang i-copy muna yan. So, like, for example, download muna natin dito yung pinaka-APK kung Android. Application dito if yung gamit mo naman is iOS, guys, no? So, like, for example, let's download. And so, dito, guys, get ko lang siya. So, sa Android, pwede mo naman siya i-download, guys, no? So, I'm using iOS dito sa end ko. And then, pagkatapos niyan, open ko lang. So, dito, guys, dito natin makikita yung mga step by step na. So, halaw ko lang to. And then, tap next ko lang dito. Next. And then, tap okay lang. So, dito, guys, merong option ng create a wallet. And then, merong import a wallet, guys, no? So, sa end ko, pwede kong import yung pinaka-wallet ko. Pero if you don't have any wallet pa, is that you can just create a wallet dito, guys, no? So, isa lang dito, guys, sa purpose na i-import ko yung pinaka-secondary wallet ko is just to get yung mga additional points, guys, no? Kasi meron ng mga transactions yun before. And isa sa criteria dito ng airdrop nila is that yung mga previous transactions na meron ka doon sa pinaka-wallet mo before is that can be counted to a points dito, guys, no? So, pagkatapos niyan, I'll need to import a wallet lang. And then, I agree. And dito, sed phrase guys, no? So, i-blur ko na lang just for my security kasi dapat yung pinaka-sed phrase mo, ikaw lang dapat yung nakakaalam guys, no? So, mnemonic phrase. And so, dito guys, kailangan mo mag-set ng pinaka-pin code mo, no? So, lagay lang ako dito ng pinaka-pin code ko. Ayan, pagkatapos niyan, lalagay ko lang dito yung 12 word na nakasave sa secondary wallet ko. Ayun, so na-input ka na dito yung pinaka-sed phrase ko doon sa secondary wallet ko lang. And then pagkatapos nyan is just to confirm. And ma-redirect na tayo dito sa pinaka-user interface, no? Your wallet is now ready na, as mentioned dito. So dito guys, wallet imported successfully na. As per checking nga dito guys, sobrang daming mainnet or multi-chain na ito guys, no? So pagkatapos nyan, I need to Garrett lang ito. And doon guys, sa pag-claim ng points mo is that you'll need to go lang dito sa BWB. Ayan. And then, pagkatapos nyan, mapupunta ka na dito. And select mo lang itong claim airdrop guys, no? So, claim airdrop. And then, signature. Select mo yung signature. And yung pin code na sinet up natin kanina. Ayan. So, dito guys, kailangan ng pinaka-invite code guys, no? So, that's the time na yung kanina na kinopy natin is that gagamitin natin dito, no? So, kung hindi pa natin nakopy, balik lang tayo doon sa kaninang window. So, like, dito guys, and then scroll down lang natin. Ito. So, pwede nyo rin i-input guys to. So, it's small q, small a, big letter P, small t, F, tas N guys, no? Pwede ko rin ilagay ito sa pinned comment para copy-paste nyo na lang, no? So, kailangan to sa airdrop para ma-claim, no? So, pagkatapos nyan, ika-copy ko lang siya. Ayan. So, copied na. And then, balik lang tayo doon kanina sa window natin, sa wallet natin. Dito. And then, pagkatapos nyan, paste lang natin dito yung pinaka-code. Ayan. And then, after that, tap next lang. And tick natin tong I can confirm that I'm not a US user. And then, pagkatapos nyan, claim now, no? So, claiming na. So, simple as that, guys. Na-claim na natin dito. So, pwede na natin siya dito, guys, i-view yung pinaka-points natin, no? So, claim successful na. View now ko lang to. And as we can see, meron na tayo dito 50 BWB points, guys, no? So, simple as that. Simple. Step by step sang dito. Other options pa dito, guys, to get more points is that, let's go back muna tayo dito. You have this option, for example, for 3 days. Ito is daily volume, guys, no, na for 3 days, around 100 USDT to unlock yung 50 new user points, no? So, you can just tap this trade now, and then meron ditong option, for example, USDT and Ethereum, guys, no? So, for me, isa sa mga diskarte ko naman dito, guys, is that I use yung BNB na chain, guys. So, pwede naman natin itong palitan dito sa USDT, and then dito sa my BNB chain, ayan, and then like, for example, BNB, and then dito sa baba is, for example, other pair dito, meron ditong crypto dito, guys, no? So, like, say for example, doon lang tayo sa medyo low risk. So, sa stables lang, USDT, USDC. So, for example, USDT. And then, you can just tap max lang dito. Ayan. And that's the time na you can just swap, confirm, guys, no? So, ang dami ditong mga options pa. Let's go back. And then, close muna natin to. Ayan. So, yung 50 points natin, nag-reflect na dito. Back muna tayo dito. Ayan, guys. Ang dami pa ditong options, no? So, like, for example, dito sa trade, meron ditong swap, merong limit. Good thing, meron ng limit kasi kung gusto mong makabili sa isi-set up mo na price is that you can use that limit. And then, pagkatapos nyan, dito sa may swap, for example, you want to use BNB. Ayan, meron din ditong Polygon, Arbitrum, Solana, Tron, Base. Ang daming mga mainnets dito or blockchain na naka-integrate dito, guys, no? It's a multi-chain na ito. So, let's close this one. Yung pinaka-wallet mo naman, yung pinaka-address mo is that you can just go to your wallet dito sa receive. Like, for example, you want to top up your BNB. So, select BNB lang. Ayan, lalabas na yung pinaka-wallet address mo. So, simple as that, guys, for this upcoming airdrop ni BWB, guys, no? And add ko na rin pala, guys, one of the advantage na meron dito is that you have the self-custody na tinatawag. Ikaw talaga yung may full control ng pinaka-assets mo. Other siguro dito na disadvantage is that if mawala mo yung pinaka-sed phrase mo, yung pinaka-private key mo is that hindi na siya marirecover, no? So, make sure you store your sed phrase securely. Huwag kayong basta-basta mag-click ng links. Make sure na nakastore yan sa safe and secure na pinaglalagyan ninyo. Like, for example, on my end, I have this notes dito and naka-safely secured siya. Yun, kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan dito, guys, just feel free to ask lang dito sa ating comment section and I'm happy to help naman dito to answer that for you guys, no? So, hope you get some ideas dito. Claim nyo na tong airdrop na to guys kasi hanggang nasa 36 days na lang ito. So it's time limited or time sensitive itong pinaka-airdrop na ito. And yeah, simple as that. Application, gamit yung cellphone, you can just claim this one guys, no? So that's it for today guys. Hope you get some ideas dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.